Please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video. Podkid, qualities of a Muslim. It is reported by Anas, may Allah be pleased with him, that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said there are three important qualities of true faith. One is that a Muslim loves other people for the sake of Allah the Exalted. The second is that a Muslim loves Allah the Exalted and His Messenger more than anything else. The last one is that a Muslim prefers to be thrown into fire than give up being a Muslim. This narration is found in Sahih Muslim number 166. Lessons from this narration include: number 1. A Muslim must respect all people. It does not matter where they come from and the language they speak. It includes people of all ages and both men and women. Always treat people how you want others to treat you. Number 2. Muslims must love Allah the Exalted and His Messenger, peace and blessings be upon him, more than anyone else, including their own family. This love means that a Muslim must always do what Islam tells them to do, such as good deeds, and stay away from the things which Islam told them to stay away from, such as sins. Number 3. Being a Muslim is the most important thing in the world. But remember, a true Muslim has two jobs. The first is to do what Allah the Exalted told them to do. And the second job is to treat all people with respect and love. This is the sign of a true Muslim. Chapter 28, verse 77.
And do good as Allah has done good to you.